This picture shows the key features of a protractor. In this short video, you will practice reading angles. Then you will learn how to estimate the uncertainty when using a protractor through 3 lab experiment scenarios. I will teach you useful tips for your practical exams. The smallest mark on this protractor is 1 degree with an uncertainty of plus minus 1 degree. To measure the angle AOX, follow the directions in this slide. To measure the angle XOB, follow the directions in this slide. Now let's learn how to estimate uncertainty when measuring angles with a protractor. First case scenario, when a protractor is laid flat on the surface with minimum parallax error, use 1 degree to estimate the uncertainty. The second scenario is when the protractor is held on a lap stand at eye level with a contrasting background. Even though everything looks perfect, a minor tilting of the protractor can introduce errors in the measurement. In this case, use an estimate uncertainty of 2 degrees. The last case scenario is when the protractor is not at the observer eye level and poor visibility. In this case, use an estimate uncertainty of 3 degrees. Did you learn how to estimate uncertainties when measuring angles with a protractor? The uncertainty of your select depends on the conditions that affect the visibility of the protractor marks. Keep in mind all these factors when estimating uncertainty. Bye.